Hello and welcome to the WPF expander control video. In this tutorial, you will learn about the expander control in WPF. This is going to be a two-part series. So in the first part, we'll have a look at the problems faced while styling the expander, and the second part will be the solution. So let's get started. Here I have a window in WPF which has two rows and two columns. So an expander is a control in WPF which collapses and expands on click. So let's give our expander a header, header 1. Let's place it in the grid.row 0 and grid.column equal to 0 and give it a background and height as well. Okay, so every expander has a grid. The grid is basically what you see when an expander expands. So let's give this grid a background of aqua, and you can place controls inside the grid like labels, text boxes, whatever you wish. So here is our expander and our expander is ready. Let's run this and see how this works. Okay, so this is our expander here, header 1. You can see here that it does expand, and we can see this aqua colored grid here, but it is behaving very weird. The entire height of the expander is set to 200. So let's correct this. So the golden rule whenever styling an expander is that never give an expander a height. The height should always be set of the grid. So let's give this grid a height of 200, and the row height should be set to auto so that the row automatically takes the height of the expander and it expands. So let's try and run this. Okay, so it expands. Let's go ahead and add another expander below this expander. Okay, change the header and change the row. You can change the background colors as well. Okay, let's try and run this. So these are our two expanders here, and you can see that the second expander is behaving weird. That is because the height of the second row is not set to auto. So set it to auto. Yeah, and let's run this. Yeah. So now these are our two expanders and they are behaving very well. So now suppose we want to add two more expanders beside these two expanders. So let's do that. So this is my third expander here. It has some properties. It's in the first column, and another expander below this one. Okay, so is this the same thing? The same expander with different background colors and different grid and column position. So let's try and run this as well. So if we see here, expander here is behaving very weird. If we expand one of the expanders, the one beside it expands as well. So this is a problem faced if this is a problem you encounter if you place expanders side by side in the same grid. So that's it for this video, and in the next video we'll be talking about the solution of how to place expanders side by side. Do watch that video. Thank you.